summary statistics, so let's do that. That's really the main point of using descriptive statistics. Right? So it gives you all of this information that we talked about for the number of pizzas sold per order. So we can see here, on average, we sold 2.3 pizzas. Right? So you were saying, well, I want to have enough ovens to make 2.5 pizzas, right? Then maybe you might want to get two, right? If one oven makes 2 pizzas, let's say, then maybe you want to have 2 ovens to be sure. But on average, we know we're selling 2.3 pizzas. We have the error, the median, right? So the median is going to be the middle number in your data, which again, here we have it close to the average. So our data is not very skewed. And so this gives you a lot of information about that data that you have, right? Any questions so far? Okay, great. So that answers that question, right? But let's say we want to know how many ovens we need to buy for this. So let's say we know the average is 2.3 pizzas. But let's say we want to look at the distribution of these numbers, right? So if the average is at 2.3, right, we know that's where on our curve, that's where it's going to be the tallest, right? But we want to see where's the rest of the curve going, right? How much, like, is 90% of my data around the 2, right? Am I getting like a lot of big orders or not? Right, so let's